Do you want to know how you can add friends on your Duolingo account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add friends on Duolingo. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Duolingo, which is on your phone, or if you don't have Duolingo, you can just go ahead and install it from the Play Store. Now, once you open Duolingo, click on your profile, which is on the middle. You can see the Add Friends option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see there is a search bar, Find Contacts and Invite Friends. If you know the name or username of your friend, you can just go ahead and search their name. Or else you can go to your contacts and invite the friends or add the friends which are already on Duolingo. And the third link is to invite friends, which will happen if you send the link. So let's go ahead and search for a name. Let's suppose I want to add my friend Paul. I'll just go ahead and search for Paul, and you will notice that most of the usernames of Paul will appear. So this is my friend here. So I will click on the add button sign and you can see the friend request has been sent. Now, once Paul will see your friend request, he or she will accept it and you can be friends. So guys, this is how you add friends on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.